kayo naman Facebook, nung mabudindio iyahan itan, so mutasingar si Andrea Bocelli, si Katoy making bagay ang kansyon itan. Tapos si Andrea Bocelli, Otakura, ang tayo niya, Otakura was singer 6 languages. He sings in 6 languages. Let Mabaloy be the 7th language using O Tannenbaum. Palakpakin yun. Tiga, atang mo itulong liwas ulit kahit yun ibadoy. No in kansiyon silitan as part of the translations. Anyway, before you know it, I did some translations of Mi Ultimo Adios ng Apo Rizal. Walay project ni National Historical Commission to translate Mi Ultimo Adios of Jose Rizal in foreign and local languages. So I did 2 translations. Noong tan, 1986 pa lang ko. You can just imagine. I was bahain niya akong tan. In translate ko ni Baloy. 2 years after, in translate ko ni Kalanguya with a native speaker. Yes, mabiyan yung mga dari kopya, asilay kopya, tawaray kopya, asiwa, binudot siya in Orisha, in katut na ati uda. Aman ito sini kaya tayo ba doon, atanin sa kaya, alam tayo maminsan. Gulot, yautin ma. Once siya magbayin, iba doon kasi kayo. Ay, si bayin sa makinasyo. Atanin, kung meron dyan, asyo matribu eh. Adi yung rai balay, no, nabartak da, mangibabayin da. Nung nahanda kayo nabartak, manakbabayin da. Kawan. No matter, that's what they said. It's up to you to prove or disprove it. Now we proceed to the questions. And like I said a while ago, I can answer all your questions satisfactorily. In case you need some supplements, in case you need some additions, I'll ask the people I already cited a while ago to substantiate or to support what I said. I just lagi inangkarandaran ako sa ngaran nita si Ubag Shampas. Ingaran nita. At ang maksil ako ito. Maksil is the Ibaloy term for takwanda yung iwarayo. Alihun siya yung Ibadoy. Did you know, and I must tell you now, that sa mga Ibadoy dinuban siya astil, dinuban siya Amerikano dungtang, dinuban siya may Hapon si dungtang. Let there be a statue in Dungtang to portray the Ibaloy as not a shy person because he tried to defend the Ibaloy homeland against all intruders. He was not fighting any tribal war. He was fighting a war against invaders. He was fighting a war against colonialists. Nang sibay mo kay wanita. Sino kay wanita? Iba't iba na historia. Sa nakaobserbara, kahit ang Ibaloy na historia, irapay ka ang kasal. Saya mengingat sangat luan pun jika tidur utaman buat bahasa saya Ilocano di Baguio. Ang kinipuntok kita pasipa konsum si kayo ngay. Sika kerjo kaya kare takjo. Semua hatang kumay bungan jo. Uray uga di tayong kita kaong pesan ng ay si kayo in awareness siya. Alibun siya kita utakuan na ako oka. Ekuan yun ka no sila yung tupi na may panimeo. Siya ang stop oka kaya may kopan di probeklat nyo ngay. Nakon pag si isang jula sa walong po at undus paga imbis nga wala ada ni profesor. Kaya kami ko yung Apo Kalado, sinumbanan to ayan. Oto nem to osto kare, Ibadoy or Mabaloy language. Karena kamu sakitan mo, sipakan ng question niya. Do you mean to say, ingkato ni man, muamtay sa ubat niya? Setiap orang sedang terkait pengusaha tinggal untuk tak hanmu amung masakutun hanmu amung asung batang daito. Okay, I will follow the answer of Apo Kalado. Ibaloy is for the people, Mabaloy is the language. Palakpakin yung mga sinasabi ng ito. Mga kwento Ibaloy, Ibaduy, Robi, Ibadoy. Ama kwanto Nabaloy, Nabidoy. If you say it the way it is said in Ibaloy, it's there. I tried to study the etymology of Baloy, Baro. Tuta Baro kasi nga it's an Asian word. Tuta Arawin dungan. Aman mo itapuan tayo. Before you know it, sekwat era ni historian juga doy kono dabo kita si Flores Island. Sekarang di mau si Indonesia, Flores Island is part of Indonesia. And it's not surprising if you go there are some dialects in Flores Island which is similar to Ipola. And before you know it, haman sa takwan siya nung tan, di kingdom ng Princess Orduha. Nanto'y Kabul. Do you know the Ipoloy name of Princess Orduha? Ang tayo? It is Dabuha. Naman istote da bakay nyo ipotse ito panda amon Dabuha. They are referring to Orduha. Ang tayo may Espanyol at siya makapronounce sa Dabuha. Sikat yung mga iwaray global, deep global sound to. Independent ko itan si mag-congress ni national languages. Dasayo lang di ada di na ada di Arabic, ada di German, and some other languages. Ang pan ito Pohal, you know Pohal. If you remember it as K, it will sound like Pukul. Singa Pangasinan man Tapukul. Nam apa itu kaya kuat di Pukul? Ay siya Pohal. Tetap apa yang kawarai Pohal ya softer. Long time ago, the H was reserved for the men, and the H was reserved for the feminine. That's why the feminine says Pohal, Bahal, but the male should say Pohal, Bahal. Undiyo dalakin na nasa ruto, tala din ng kaamay ko si Bahal. May ko si Bahal, nang Bahal kayo. Nang Bahal kayo, konsya. Mauni ipohal mo, konsya, naman. Kasi yung mga iwaray sound ton katan. That's one of the characteristics of Nabaloy, which is not found in other Philippine languages. Just clear malak. Para you will not feel unhappy. The Pangasinenses call themselves Pangasinan or Pangasinense. The Deki Tao. In the language that they call it Pangalatok. Okay? They don't say Pangalatok. That's offensive. So never use that. Say Pangalatok. That's why you say Nabaloy for the language, Ibaloy for the Tao. Aman. That is an accurate technical description of the language and people. Just like the Ilocano is the person, the female is Ilocano, but the language is Iloco. In the Yoruba, so you're not being happy. It's not only Ibaloy making that distinction. Number 2 question. Ajay, control. Ngantoy Ibaloy kat mahilig Iran ni Kadut. Kadut, are you referring to the Pashit? Are you referring to what they term in English as Prestige Feast? Suppose I throw the question back to you and say, why do we have this kind of eating and merrymaking? Why? That's the same reason. They got a good harvest. They got people who can afford. They want to gather around the relatives, so they perform the kadut, that they perform the Pashit. You know what I'm doing? Haman di Kabul ni Pashit, but long time ago, the Pashit was celebrated not only among the Ibaloy, also among the Ipuntok, you as our guest. What I kanantiyan, sino? Sabi yung sentral Puntok yan. Well, kadang dahil itugawan uyakoy. At ang maglalang iyahay. But one of the things that celebrate is a bountiful harvest. Sige, gusto mo iyay, after to be ina-appropriate abroad, nabiyan yun, isir yusun si kami, kiwar sa Pilipinas, kasi sa singakotir, kadun iyay. Yes, ulang di sayo itan. We do not keep it for ourselves. We want to feed our relatives. We want to say, hello relatives, come here. Nanti kabul mangone, naulungan kayo dyan. Alam mo, kabul, hindi ko mga kinari. Sasakay, isang tayo. Yes. Maakman si Gait. Tanong mo, akman ni Gait, ikwan mo niya ahog na kayang at tama, aknan, waknan, kaya may kait mo. Haman logic ni Adot. Isang alam mo, iba do'y mga imahilig niya kadua. O, okay, palakpak, sinasabi natin yung 4. is a very good question. In the canción Bangun Kanina by Dioditan, is one of the original songs written by one of the heroes of the Magniba, where Mr. Calados is an elder. Si Andro Bilit Senior. Ya, bangun Kanina. Kuanto kapan duto ne abah sip dufon kot anopan menganop ni kubilan, etc. Now, apa yung kadawa workman os pianios? I didn't study this, but if you know Professora Vicky Tumbaga, she is one of the researchers of the Ibaloy. I think she is older than me because she retired much earlier than I did. Professor Isyo. Sa research to os pianios, o tapos, it refers to bones. So, tan kono dimangon ja hunter, inaspur ne kapitan sa Kastila, jadang kampilan. Yut niman, sa isya kapat ng misi, o tapukarong tog na bayan, aman ni os pianyos, aman ni explanation ng ako itong mala. That's what, like I said, I cannot answer all, but some of the people answer your question. Atan di ko, no can do any further. You want to get further questions in explanation, you better ask Professor Tumbala. She knows more about this question. Number 6. Tuli nansudian di Batiw. Ayo kayo pa yun. Aksuhan ta. Si Apo Dumugan. No mangkrip kwanto o kaya tika kwan siya. Hadi mo ibuntok kwan siya mo mendaday tahu angkamun ibun to angkadai diangan ikon siya man meron dia hud di bugan ya wigan dikon hadar i-translate mo itani wadoy hud di bugan ya wigan dikon hadar so nan bugan tan wigan si kusaran ama ni pera sudah niman so historic so narrative. So everybody does the singing. And anyway, the Malayans are fond of singing their heartaches. They're fond of unburdening their lives by way of singing. Long time ago, did you have this bamba or whatever is the song? Awan na kita, second yun ng chanting. Mademoiselle Yuli knows French. Ang tayo Ekwansya, and some of you know it. I'm telling you, Ekwansya to sing in Espanol, cantar. So, in French, it is, no, it pronounced in English way, chanter. But it's pronounced chanter. Now, if you are English speaking, you remove the ER, it becomes chant. To chant and to sing is the same. To chant is like the Badiw. But do you know what you're talking about? Do you know what the Badiw is? May I ask you? Say Badiw, not even me is an expert of a Badiw. A Badiw is gifted. It was gifted to my mother. Anyway, I can say that araw bumubuhat si Tangina. Ang takdi walang katasabi lang. It was gifted to my mother, but it's not fully gifted to me. Say Badiw, manmanoy mabadiw. Manmanoy mabadiw. Anyway, the Badiw is a recited, spontaneous, native, indigenous type of poetry using a whole range of vocabulary in the language that is employed. Haman eka-complex ni Ibadoy. Palakpakan nyo ito. Ngayon to the question, at maon ang balin ni Haman nakasil i-dictionary no alin complex Ibadoy. Ni man, sa wala kong matok-tok yung complex yung Ibadoy. Akak kayang iba-iba ina-isang sinawat. Palakpakan. May puwan, ipalakpakan. At juga yang pan-appreciate sa pag-ikuan. Yang mak mo ay mamap na question kwanto. Antoy Diyan mo yung kadut siya ibaboy, ampat maputol i-ehol. Tan antoy ampat atuling mapaltik baboy. That's a very good question. Why is it that you have to remove the tail? Because that's one way of practicing hygiene. Yeah. Say mo, akala mo sila lang may hygiene. Tayo rin. Wa dyan man imaihula na is-isbuan. Siyempre, idahin siya, yung kay utsan mo ni matakal. Taman irekakan na ni darating bunakal. Inusto iman, matakal. Bakit? Apa yung natuta at tawing? Unata, I'll throw up the question to you. Apa yung nasayang offer ng Abraham? No, not Abraham. Abraham, si Bible, at Carnero. Ang ano ni Buha? Ang ano ni Buha, at sa ugang tira mo, ima mo ni offer ni Carnero. Kasi mo aprugan ng ako siya, kung kayang imaasok. Gusto mo iwa doon, apay ka mga offer ni Bulaw. Yung like Bulaw, at hutid po ba? Sa mistiso nung kawalan, at hutid amen. Sa babuisit ka nung tanman na apoyan ni Torin de Opa, de kaabalan ng ako uskat, nung tansibok, yan sa si Bolingway, tansibok, yan sa Trinidad. Apay ang tayo. Iyo, akan isakay ang mga bang si Makuan siya ekural, nuwaray piyasta. Tumapis-pisan uta, uta at sambihan, Makuan siya mabisat-inusyatitan. O, pangilan. Hama, babuit tayo, isang black na jay, tipulina, na jay wild boar, B-O-A-R. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it the correct way or not, but sometimes I have to mix it, because the British says boar, the Americans say boars, it's full of R. I don't want to speak like I'm full of R's, so that's the boar. Boar, ito nga, black. Ayaw, huwag yung mga satisfied, kung si makasanawakin, question niya, di siya mas karo. Ang kinamuhapan ni Kuwan, mausap ng muli. Ako yung katutan, bayat ka, kapalok kama. Ganun, put-putan kumuyay. May matulungan tayo ikuha na ako Toastmaster, ikuha na ako kalado sa Najera, Sira Yuli, Aman. Yung sa tanong na ato sa segera, nandun mo, yan siya, penam siya, hindi siya, sumaksya-aksyon sintiran ni time. Siya kalau ito, ay yung question, maray, hindi ka mo. Dati si Mayat, siya nanam kawis niya, aja kung ibutok siya ng kawis ay question niya. Ay siya tipsyon ni kaibaduya, sayno ang taan ni manban banatun kaugadian. Harap singa sakit dia. I have started writing long time ago. But nobody from the Ibaloy group ever said, thank you for writing for the Ibaloy. Namuray no kasta. I'm flattered by your question, so I'll give you a sample of my writing. It was published by the SMU Research Journal. It was sent to 49 countries abroad. It is read by the Prussians. It is read by the Sofia University. It is never read in Itogon. I'm from Itogon. Saya pinis isang kondisyon jay. Itay question yung pangkap ni mabaing. Intaman yung ikuanan ako mo kang sikat in si babaing itong ibadoy. Tapay yung mo tanot, inunuran ko. Kamikuan ko mo sikat ay idol ko, tapang mo duwa na. Pagudin mo naman, namilyonan ko ako mo ka, nanibot ka ng kumpan, para di sa ladok, sumsikato. Sumasadulungan tayo naman. Ikuan mo to, di alam mo mabalik, papayin yung adoy. If guy, yung article, yung punya organizers yung sa title to A Study of Socio-Historical Events which largely engendered the evolution of Ibaloy phenotype traits. Sa ito na sila, Kota di bilapa kau gajian muniman, ono kabarin mo, yujai historia to. I'll give you a shortcut answer. Since one of the questions you tried to ask me is that why is it Ibaloy always identified with Shayapnao? Well, some people enjoy being said, being told Shayapnao to Ibaloy. Sikapun siya na. Ngayon siya Shayapnao, ipon ko am tayo, yasota, bato to tunglo, sita tuwa, siya atiyan ni 200 siya Ibaloy, naisulat Hispanjul itan. Apa ipon mo siya iman? 200 years say atiyan Hispanjul 21 mga tapos say inusan siya bato kayang sa inusan ni Hispanjul masuk ta pistola masuk ta saman tan kanjun inusan siya agar sa mangulitan ini simagan siya tanda anda ulit mapuntok da anda ulit ipugaw. You look at the sequence of rebellion against the Spanish. They happened after the Battle of Tungo, which was March 18, 1759. Si Paiman Asalanja, Aliguna Ibadon, Hatan Manju. Paiman Asalanja Ibadon, yet Asya Humaray Pangko, Wara Historia ko mga. Okay po nga, magno. In-interview siya kami ni TV. Ang tanda na daw si TV. Nang namakon ko, ay simat in mga appreciate. Ipindak itong iyay. Siya in-appreciate niya. Padakpahan sa kadyo sa min, na in-appreciate niya. Ipindak itong iyay. Amin siya ko nakamatuli-udi. Si Michelle Maray Tupak ni uli-uli TV ay sipay ang mga ikuan na iba doon. Nang waray kami ito nga. Pagka ikuan yung ngaran ko, walang tihiban naman. Hindi makindo na may interview eh. Nandun tangkap na interview. The interview was regarding the use of Filipino, or Filipino, if you want to say, that's the Tagalog. Yan po salang tayo namin as citizens of the Philippines. That was the time Joseph Estrada. And the question was, is it advisable or is it advantageous to enforce Filipino in the Philippines, including Baguio City? I said, no, not in Baguio. Not in Baguio, etc. I tried to defend it. Because, for example, basically, in Baguio, ang Tagalog namin dito ay Ilocano. So, if you enforce Tagalog, that will be a new foreign language, because Ilocano is not Tagalog, and Tagalog is not Ilocano. That's a new language. So, do not enforce it. It is enough that is required in the schools. Siyempre kahit po yun UP, and they like it. I mean, this UP, Dr. Florendo and Dr. Bukay, ibang ko yung ransya, they were happy about how we did. And the conclusion was that we didn't like Baguio to be ordered to use Filipino. Let Filipino use as a subject. Let Filipino Tagalog be spoken in Baguio naturally. It should have been forced to the people and fed upon the throats of the people. But that's not yet the story. What you should be interested is this. Aksyonan mo ta, kabasan. Wala ko ta. Retired policeman. Kutang si Tuba. Ganyan pumatyanas ka. Hindi pa to siya. Sikam gayang Manong, Kongko. Well, I want to tell you something. Ang tamarong iba din, yun naman English eh. I want to tell you something. Yes, Manong, please tell me what you want to say. Andre, o tapangkat ni interview yung si TV ng Tamasyon. I like your arguments. You did it in Ilocano, you did it in Tagalog, you did it in English. It's well, I like it. I hope there are people who appreciate what you're doing and what you did. And who were your companions? Were the Ibaloy stopped? I said, no, that's a problem. That's why in Mapiba, Apo, Calado, we included in the 16th star those people who are trying to help the Ibaloy in the way they can, even if they don't have any Ibaloy blood. That includes Apo Florendo, Dr. Florendo, and Dr. Bukire. Pampaso ng Badoy, ako kasama yun, malis siya. Mas bagat mo, kan mo kinabulto, agi-agi-agi ba ito? pinagpagtungo niya sa Kongre. Marami man konto. But may I say this? Of course, you can say anything to me. Oh, here it came. Ang sabi niya sa akin, konto eh. But no matter how you did it too, very intelligently and very professionally, I could sense your Ibanoy accent. And you know what he was looking for at my face? He was expecting me to blush or maybe to stoop down. I did not. I stood even an inch taller because what did it mean? What did it mean? It meant to me that of all the languages I have learned, more than 20, my Ibaloy is still the dominating language because I am truly an Ibaloy deep in my heart before I am anything else. In difference to my other ancestors, I don't only have Ibaloy blood, but I was raised as an Ibaloy. Tinutuwan siya uperet, ipuot ko. Tinutuwan siya tinungsyan, ipuot ko. Tinutuwan siya may sisakdan, ipuot ko. Nang tumayin ko, Ibanoy ito ba nagsunsika? May impresyon siya, numang ikajulan sunsika. Sika to, isang awra, salamat kung wadat, kaya na-injurap ni Chansa, sabay kuma, taon tuloy iyayatin kayo, bindisyonan sa kayo, inustuat mo, kang pamilya tayo, salamat, good evening, son sika yon min.